Hi all, my name is Aaron Binu. I'm a student of Deakin University and I'm here to give an artifact about the cybersecurity information. So first let us know about cybersecurity. The computer security or the cybersecurity, digital security or information technology, most commonly known as cybersecurity, is a protection of a computer system and networks from attack by the malicious actors that may result in unauthorized information disclosure, theft of or damage to hardware, software, or data, as well as from the destruction or misdirection of the services they provide. So this is one of the main issues that the world or the cyber world faces today, as there are almost many threats happening in the cyber security issues. So yeah, it could be like a thief stealing the data from a computer or a data from a precious IT company. The data is a very valuable thing, as we all know that the data is the most valuable thing in this world, and the storing the data could be a big cyber security threat. So when we are considering the top cybersecurity concerns, it has been assembled that 70%, 8% of the customers are concerned about the data privacy, and 63% of the consumers are very worried their identity will be stolen. 58% of the adults are more worried than ever about being a victim of cybercrime. So now the most we are here to discuss about the most common SME cybersecurity incidents. Hence, the first one is phishing attack. Second one is web-based attack. The next one is general malware. And the fourth one is malicious insider. And the fifth one is denial of service. So at first, let us discuss in detail about the phishing attacks. Phishing is the practice of sending fraudulent communications that appear to come from a legitimate and reputable source, usually through email and text messaging. It could be, for example, we could say that the phishing attacks, it comes as an emails that we have guaranteed something, or it could be in the official way. But it's not like that. It's completely a fraudulent man. So the attacker's goal is to steal the money, gain access to sensitive data, and login information, or to install the malware on the victim's device. So the ways to handle a phishing attack is that there are many attempts to make in relation with the phishing attack. However, we can drastically reduce our exposure with these things. Three key strategies: email filters, email security protocols, and employee education. And next, let us discuss about the web-based attacks. It is the attack in which some data will be injected into a web application to manipulate the application and fetch the required information. For example, SQL injection, code injection, log injection, XML injection, etc. DNS spoofing is a type of computer security hacking. And let us discuss about the ways to tackle the web-based attacks. On looking the ways to tackle, the most common one is be on the lookout for suspicious links, attachments, or downloads. It could be in the form of some of the links, attachments, which could be found to be suspicious, but it could be really affect the data in our computers or systems. The next one is create and use strong password, as a good password may affect many of the people from having a cybersecurity issue. The next one is use multi-factor authentication whenever possible. Next one is use secure internet connections and update your antivirus software regularly. And the motto behind this web-based attacks is first identify the threat and protect data, detect the threat, respond, and recover. Next, we are here to discuss about the general malware. Malware is a common cyber attack and is an umbrella term for various malicious programs delivered and installed on end user system servers. These attacks are designed to cause harm to a computer, server, and are used by the cyber criminals to obtain data for the financial gain. So now let us discuss about the ways to overcome the malware issues. For example, if you need to download something, you should be have an antivirus program to scan that download for a malware before opening it, because the antivirus program would be definitely a great help in preventing the malware issues. And it's a good idea to run regular scans of your computer to catch the malware early and prevent it from spreading. So the following picture shows them how to prevent the malware, use multi-factor authentication, avoid suspicious links, adjust email security systems, regularly backup files, keep devices updated, remove malicious downloads, as we have discussed early in the case of the web-based attack and the phishing attack. It's almost the same. And next, we are going to discuss about the malicious insider. For example, someone who maliciously and intentionally misuses legitimate credentials using stealing information for financial or personal incentives. For example, someone who has a score against a former employer or an opportunist employee who sells sensitive information to competitors. This is a malicious insider and it should be dealt with ultimate aim of reducing the malicious insider in a company. So, yeah, how to prevent a malicious insider? To stop a malicious insider, organizations need solutions for preventing data leaks via email, identifying suspicious content in emails, and blocking internal emails that may spread or trigger an attack. So, the next one is denial of service, and it's the last one. In computing, a denial of service attack is a cyber attack in which the perpetrator seeks to make a machine or network resource unavailable to its intended users by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to a network. And let us discuss about the ways to tackle denial of service. Blocking the traffic from known or suspected malicious sources can prevent the DOS traffic from reaching its target. Rate limiting the rate of traffic to reach of a server or resource can prevent a DOS attack from overwhelming it. And I hope that you enjoyed my presentation and thank you.